Báwo ni kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ọmọ ìyá mi? In the last lesson, we started with numbering system in Yoruba, right? And we did simple enumeration of 1 to 10, right? And we then do combination of units, then gives you something like 1 as ọ̀kan àbí ọ̀kan àbí ìkan, 1. Then 2 as èjì or èjì. 3 as ẹ̀ta or ẹ̀ta. 4 as ẹ̀rin or ẹ̀rin, and so on all the way to ẹ̀wá or ẹ̀wá. Then we then said in that lesson, the previous lesson, if you've not watched it, please go to it, right? So in that we said that 1 as ọ̀kan àbí ọ̀kan, 2 as èjì. When you're then having a combination of units like 2, it's not èjì, it's not èjì. It becomes méjì. That's where you had the word M to it, right? So 3 becomes, so when you're doing counting gives you ọ̀kan, èjì, ẹ̀ta, ọ̀kan, èjì, ẹ̀ta, then you have 3, then you have mẹ́ta. So that's where you get the word mẹ́ta, a combination of units. Mẹ́ta. So you 4, mẹ́rin, ọ̀kan, èjì, ẹ̀ta, ẹ̀rin, mélòó, mẹ́rin. So that's where you can say mélòó, how many? Mélòó la fẹ́ wí, so great. Mélòó. I haven't said that. What if you're talking about position? For example, if you're saying first becomes ìkíní, dòmímí. Second because ìkejì, dòrédò. Third is ìkẹta, dòréré. Ìkẹta, dòréré. Then, see, rather than having you're adding e. So fourth becomes, can you guess it? Ìkẹrin. Then fifth becomes ìkarùn. Then sixth becomes ìkẹfà, dòrédò. Then seventh becomes ìkeje, dòréré, dòrédò. Dòrédòmí, ìkarùn. Ìkẹrin, dòréré. Ìkẹta, dòréré. Then seventh, ìkeje. Eighth is ìkẹjọ, dòréré. Ninth becomes ìkẹsàn. That's dòrédòmí. Then 10th becomes ìkẹwàá, dòrédòmí, ìkẹwàá. Now, see, that's how to achieve that. Just put first, ìkíní. Second, ìkejì. Third, ìkẹta, ìkẹrin. Now, position in itself in Yoruba, position, let's put it here. Position is ipò. Rédò, ipò. Position, ipò. Whatever you are asking, whatever the position you are asking, whatever thing you are asking first or second or hundredth of will be noun or pronoun. Whether kíní or kejì or kẹta or kẹrin. For example, as in the case of this position, if you want to say first position becomes ipò kíní. You take this E off, this off. So first position becomes ipò kíní. So second position becomes ipò kejì. Third position becomes ipò kẹta. Fourth position, ipò kẹrin, and so on and so forth. If you're talking about person, you know, person is ènìyàn, do. It then shrinks to èèyàn, do. It then shrinks to ẹni, re. That's person in Yoruba. So if you want to say first person, ẹni kíní, second person, ẹni kejì, third person, ẹni kẹta, fourth person, ẹni kẹrin. So you keep going on and on and on. If you want to talk about month, for example, is oṣù. So month in Yoruba, this place is full. Month in Yoruba is oṣù, redo. If you want to say first month, you say oṣù kíní. Second month, oṣù kejì. Third month, oṣù kẹta, oṣù kẹrin, which then is April, oṣù karùn-ún. So you go on and on and on and on. If you want to say week in Yoruba is ọ̀sẹ̀, right? So ọ̀sẹ̀ kíní, ọ̀sẹ̀ kejì. You just go on and on. Way in Yoruba is ọ̀nà. If you say first way, ọ̀nà kíní, that means ọ̀nà kíní can also be like the first part to take, the first thing to do, one way, the first solution, you know, ọ̀nà kíní, one way out, ọ̀nà kíní, ọ̀nà kejì, ọ̀nà kíní láti ṣe iṣẹ́ yìí, the first way to do this job, ọ̀nà kejì láti ṣe kíní, ọ̀nà kẹta. So you can have that. Anything. Lẹ́kan kíní, first lẹ́kan, the first lẹ́kan. Lẹ́kan kejì, the second lẹ́kan. Lẹ́kan kẹta, the third lẹ́kan. Right. So anything. Noun or pronoun. Right. Igi kíní, the first three. Igi kejì, the ìyàwó kíní, the first wife. Ìyàwó kejì, the second wife. On and on and on. You're good. Right. So practice this. I want you to find a way to use it in sentences, and let me see what you have about, or let me see another way. I've used position, person, I've used way. Let me use line. Ìlà is line. Ìlà kíní, the first line. Ìlà kejì, the second line. Ìlà kẹta. What other words can you use with first, second, third to make a sentence in Yoruba? Watch it over again and you get better. Boom.
eayoruba.com